For the past 50 years, the car parks attached to the buildings we live, work, shop, or play in were completely detached from those buildings. We all got used to a disconnected parking experience. No way to see how many parking stalls were available. No help in guiding you back to your vehicle. No personalized greetings or special offers, just tickets and cards and dirty pay machines. Then something changed. A platform came along that connected the car park to the building it was physically attached to. Drivers could check parking availability on their phone before they started their journey. Building owners could integrate the visitor journey from the car park all the way through the building, be that an office tower, a condominium, a shopping mall, hotel, or airport. Property managers could get real-time visibility on visitors and vehicles and the volume of parking fees. Then something else happened. Those parking garages and lots started replacing their heavy old equipment with last-meter mobility services, such as EV charging, car servicing, loyalty and reward schemes, and much more. Their costs went down, their profits went up, and customers could finally see the important role that a car park had for their building and their city. Welcome to the new world of parking. Welcome to KERB.